National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winfield, or over Wheaton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. DuPage Airport gusted to 56 miles per hour at 9:30 p.m. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village and St. Charles. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Triton College, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.